Good afternoon, welcome to Your Next Car. Wasim here, bringing you a quick video presentation of this stunning 218 Diesel M Sport coupe we're having. Presented in Melbourne red metallic, fitted with some styling enhancements as we do in-house. Purpose of this video is to help you make an informed buying decision. I'll take you for a little walkthrough, mention the specs and options, give you as much information as possible. So I'm sure you've already noticed the stunning gloss styling pack we fitted with the M2 style twin slat grills, gloss black splitter, colour match the wheels, premium tyres all round, gloss black sidebars, all the wheels are unmarked, rear parking sensors on this one, rear diffuser and spoiler, original mats there, folding rear seats, generous size boots for a coupe. Really striking looking car, very well presented, recent MOT and service is up to date. Hope this is helping you make your mind up. Take a look at the interior. Got the Oyster Dakota leather, electric windows, electric mirrors, automatic headlights and wipers with the speed limit. It's a 6-speed manual car. Really nice tidy interior. Nice fixed rear bench. Nicest option, professional media. Don't get many 2 Series with that. Professional media, DAB radio, auxiliary, USB and Bluetooth. Let's take a look at the service history for you. We have the next oil service during 13,000 miles. Serviced at 14 by BMW. Interim service will be carried out with the non-main dealer. Very tidy condition, available for HB, 60 months. You can apply for finance on our website. Any more information, please call us. Part exchange is very welcome. Thanks for watching and keep safe. Thank you.